Welcome back to the channel. My name is June. Today I want to be doing some turmeric capsule for my home use. So I want to take you along with me. I'm using this all-in-one capsule maker. What's it called? All-in-one capsule. The fast and simple way to make capsules on your own. So this is what I'm going to be using. That's what is in the box. I'll show it to you a little later on. And these are the capsules that I will be using. Turmeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. These are what I'm going to be using today. We will have to separate the capsules because they come close, so we have to separate them like so. So we take a set out and we separate them. So we have the longer part and then we have the cover. The capsule maker can do 100 capsules at a time. So this should be about 100 or thereabout. So we see how close we are to that number. And if we need more, then we'll open up some more. We are separating the body of the capsule from the cap. Okay. So having done that, we need to get the body inside these holes. No? And then the caps would go inside this part. And we pour these in. Sometimes what has happened is that the cap, in separating the cap, I might have put a cap where the body should be, and then it will not hold there. Yeah, so it seems like they're all in now. Okay. All right. Yeah, so once you squeeze on it, you'll be able to see where you have empty spaces. All right. So this one is complete. The extras that we have, we just bag them for another time. And again, we put the tray on and we pour these in. So we're ready to move on. Putting the covers in a separate bag for future use. I think I should make some coffee. So that's the kettle going. I'm just going to make a batch of it and use what I can today. Maybe about 3 tablespoons of turmeric. Whatever is left over can be used at a later time. I'm doing a half teaspoon of ginger. This is my own recipe. No hard and fast to it. That's my own. You can do whatever suits you best. A pinch of cayenne. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I think this one is a bit coarse. So I'll take from a smaller one that it's blended smaller. So just maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon, I think, as a carrier for the turmeric. That's what we're using today. And then we mix. Yeah, that's a good little mix there. So I just want to shake it up. Just my way. All right, that's what it is. So now we get to the fun part where we're filling the capsules. Just checking to make sure that there is no empty space. And it's just a matter of pouring this on. I like to use the tray on top. It gives a bit of control. Alternatively, I could have used this. So I'm just pushing to fill up the holes. So I'm gonna need a little bit more, so I'm just gonna make a smaller mix. All right, maybe another tablespoon of turmeric, and this time I'm just doing freehand, basically. Some black pepper, a bit of ginger, and some cayenne. Again, I'll give it a good mix, and then we pour on. That should do it. Here we are with this. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to cover it. So you see, we have this space, and here we have this space that is left open. So I'm going to try and fill it up just the same. We had missed those two, so I'll just resupply. And then I think I have enough on top here to just fill. So now it's time to cover it. What I do sometimes, I'll just give it a push so that the capsules will be compact, and then I just fill again. So we use this to do the compaction, this one. That's basically what it is. So it's quite compact. Okay, so the covers are in this one. Okay, so I'm missing a cover right here, so that I will supply. Good. And I do need this one. You fit this on it like so that the covers won't fall out. And then you put it over it and just squeeze a little pressure. Or person with strong hands, they just squeeze like this. Yeah, but I just a little pressure here. So that's basically what it is. Done, finished. And then we just remove them, take this tray off, and we just remove them like so. It's usually a quick process. I am moving slowly for the video. So that's basically what they are. So you can do your cinnamon or whatever nutritional product that you figure that you wanna put in capsules. It makes it easy for the take. I usually take about 4 each time, since they say we should take about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Yeah, so this is what it is. So I just put these in a bottle, and that's gonna be it. So all I have to do now is clean up my area, and that's it for today. Alright, so thanks for stopping by. That was just me doing my turmeric capsules. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you will try to do some yourself. It's quite an easy process. Alright, you can look on Amazon. There are many of capsule filling machines there, so you can choose the one to your liking. They can serve for a long time. I have mine about 2-3 years now. My name is June. Thanks for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the channel. Help me to grow.